Good morning, children. So, I'm sure you are doing spellings. You cannot do spellings very quickly. You need to do them for 2, 3, 4 times. Then only you will be able to do them nicely. So, take your time in doing the spellings. Today we are doing question answers. Though there are 10 questions, but we will do only 7 of them. We'll do only 7 of them. You don't need to worry. You can take your time because you will be getting Saturday, Sunday, Monday for it. So do your work neatly in your fair notebook. Okay. So question 1 says, why did Teddy think the mongoose was dead? What did his mother say? What did his mother say? Teddy thought the mongoose was dead because mongoose was lying still in the grass. It was wet and was lying still in the grass. So Teddy thought it was dead. What did his mother say? His mother said that they must take the mongoose inside, cure him, and his heart was beating, though it was faintly beating, but he might live. Perhaps means might. Question 2, you don't have to do. Question 2 is not so important. You do question 3. Why did Teddy call the mongoose Rikki Tikki? Why did Teddy call the mongoose Rikki Tikki? Teddy called the mongoose Rikki Tikki because while moving, while running, it produced the sound Rikki Tikki Tikki Tikki, Rikki Tikki Tikki Tikki. So Teddy started calling him Rikki Tikki Tavi. Question 4. What did Rikki Tikki know when he first saw Nagin Nagin? What did Rikki Tikki know when he first saw Nagin Nagin? First time when Rikki Tikki saw Nagin Nagin, he knew that they were his natural enemies. He knew that they were his natural enemies. Clear? Number 5. Question number 5. What did Nagin tell Nag? Nagin told Nag that you bite off these 3 people, kill these 3 people by biting, and then if nobody would be living in the house, mongoose would also go away from here, and then they would have the entire garden to themselves. When mongoose would be gone, they would have the entire garden to themselves. How smart this Nagin was, no? Okay. Now, question 6, you cancel out. Question 6, you don't have to. Number 7 says, Rikki Tikki thought he was going to die. Why? Rikki Tikki thought he was going to die because while he had dug his teeth into Cobra's head, Cobra was banging his head from side, was banging the mongoose against the wall again and again. He was banging his mongoose body against the wall repeatedly, and Rikki Tikki was bleeding very badly, so he thought that he was going to die. How sad. Number 8. What brought Teddy's father to the bathroom while the struggle was on? How come Teddy's father came to the bathroom? Teddy's father came to the bathroom on hearing the clattering sound of the falling of the mug and the soap dish. When the mug and the soap dish fell while the struggle was on, the Nag's tail had disturbed the mug and the soap dish. They fell to the ground, and the sound woke up Teddy's father, and he came to the bathroom. Now, question 9, cancel out. Okay, it's okay if you do only 7 of them. How did Rikki Tikki respond to her treatment? Teddy's mother had treated Rikki Tikki now? So the answer is, under mom's loving care, Rikki Tikki recovered soon. Rikki Tikki got better. Okay, so what you do now? What you have to do now? Do these question answers neatly in your fair notebook. Read the lesson. It is important to read the lesson, where again and again for better understanding. Bye.